Let's see how Johnson Lab solution looks like. This is the landing page of the Generative AI Lab. You can access it via your regular browser at this address. Once you log in, you'll see this type of dashboard. So here is the project view, right? So you'll see a list of projects which are already defined on the environment and for which you have been added as a team member, or projects that are created by your user. So this is the main page. We have a hub of resources and then a set of tools and settings that you can use for putting together your project. So as the dashboard gets pretty crowded sometimes, because you can expect that if you have a larger team of annotators, they will work on different projects in parallel. We have different filtering options here, sorting options, and grouping options to be able to navigate between the list of projects.